Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. If you are using an iPhone and now you want to turn off keyboard sounds, so you just have to follow some steps. So first open your settings and here scroll down and look for sounds and haptics. If you want to disable the settings, so you have another option which is make your phone on silent mode. So here you can see I have made my phone on silent mode, so now keyboard sounds are disabled. But if you want to disable it permanently, so you have to go for do settings. You have the option of sounds and haptics. Tap on it and here you can see silent mode as is enabled. You just have to disable it and here scroll down and here you will get keyboard feedback option. Just tap on it and here you can see sound and haptics are turned on. I'm going to turn off the sound. So you can see I have successfully disabled keyboard sounds. So that's how you can easily turn off keyboard sounds on iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.